So what we're seeing here is we have water holding in the pipe. What I've done is I've pulled back from just past it. Now I'm towards the kitchen. Now I'm pulling back towards the restroom. And it looks like we have what looks like a belly, just water holding there. So once you flush the toilet, it'll hit this little dip that just holds water constantly, and it goes back pretty far. If you notice the condition of the pipe, you can see like the ripples on the pipe, which leads me to believe that this pipe is a real thin pipe. So, and it's taking the shape of the dirt around it. As you notice, again, the water's getting a little deeper and a little deeper as we go. This pipe should never have water inside of it. It should have continuous fall. So what's going on is you're getting stuff like this stuck. So when the water comes from the toilet, holding all the solids and whatnot, when it hits this belly, the water keeps going, but it ends up depositing little stuff. And it looks like we have an obstruction here. I'm going to take a look at it, stop the tape for a bit.